Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. NumPy is a powerful library in Python for numerical operations, particularly when working with arrays. One common operation is concatenating arrays, which means combining two or more arrays to form a new one. In this tutorial, we will explore the various ways to concatenate numpy arrays with code examples. NumPy provides the numpy.concatenate function to concatenate arrays. The basic syntax is: let's start by concatenating two 1D arrays. Output: concatenating 2D arrays requires specifying the axis along which the concatenation will occur. Let's concatenate two 2D arrays along rows and columns. Output: you can concatenate arrays along a specific axis using the axis parameter. Here's an example with 3D arrays. Output: NumPy also provides the numpy.vstack and numpy.hstack functions for vertical and horizontal stacking, respectively. These functions are shortcuts for concatenating along the first axis, vstack, and second axis, stack. Output: in this tutorial, we covered the basics of concatenating numpy arrays. Understanding these techniques is crucial for manipulating and combining arrays in scientific computing and data analysis using Python. Experiment with different examples to solidify your understanding of array concatenation in NumPy. ChatGPT. NumPy is a powerful library in Python for numerical computing, providing support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with a collection of mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. Concatenation is a fundamental operation when working with arrays, allowing you to combine multiple arrays along a specified axis. This tutorial will guide you through the process of concatenating numpy arrays with practical examples. If you haven't installed numpy yet, you can install it using the following command. Once installed, import numpy in your Python script or Jupyter notebook. NumPy provides the numpy.concatenate function to concatenate arrays along a specified axis. The general syntax is: let's explore different scenarios of array concatenation. Output: NumPy's array concatenation functionality is essential for combining arrays efficiently in various applications. By understanding the numpy.concatenate function and its parameters, you can manipulate arrays according to your specific requirements. Experiment with different arrays and axis values to get hands-on experience with array concatenation in NumPy. ChatGPT.